In this video, we're going to go over how to make an American flag face, like the image that we see right here. It's really easy, and it can be used, the same technique can be used for much more than just making uh, super patriotic versions of your favorite Netflix characters. Um, all right, let's get into it. Okay, so I'm going to bypass the start menu. And if we click on the image controls, and in the draw image, we're going to load our, let's see, where is it? We're going to load our Doug Stamper photo. And then in the color map, we're going to load the American flag. And we're going to line this up just a little bit. And you can always lower the opacity of the image you're trying to reposition, although sometimes it conflicts with the image itself. Never mind. All right. So now let's make the background color black, and we're gonna invert our level, our draw map. So white on the right. Click the invert button. All right. So now when we start drawing, and let's go and hide the source image by clicking the ghost button in the bottom right hand corner. You'll see that our draw image is being drawn with the dot colors from our color map. So that's about it. Give it a shot. Try to use different images or different color maps. This works really well with faces. Of course, it works well with skulls. Skulls seem to work good with everything. Um, and you don't necessarily have to invert your draw map, if you but if you're working on a dark background, it's always good to invert your dark map, your draw map. So there you go.